finding items that sell over and over and over again that give you that foundation. Is that what has allowed you to make that decision, make that jump?
Yes, absolutely, wholeheartedly. Period expectation. I know how much money I'm going to be able to produce each and every month. Factoring in growth and so forth. And so, yes, absolutely. That is the absolute reason why I was able to come home, because, if I've developed a business that's generating $20,000 in revenue or $100,000 in revenue each and every month, that's what I can expect. Of course, things are going to fluctuate.
Sure.
But, other types of sales models where you're always scanning, or you're relying on clearance and sales prices, you're going to have that roller coaster effect of revenue. 1 month you can do 800, and next month you can do great and do 20,000.
Right.
I don't want that. I don't want to. It's all peace of mind too. It creates a huge degree of peace of mind, knowing that you have a stable business. You're not going to have that roller coaster effect. Good cash flow, and your employees are happy as well.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
So guys, Replens, these are items that are not clearance. These are things that are on regular retail shelves, regular retail pricing that he's able to find and flip for a profit. So there's a lot of people think it's only in the clearance, and that's a great place to start and a great place to look, and that's fun. But for Carl and a lot of people that are my students, the clearance is the gravy. It's fun to go in those clearance aisles and find things that are $5 selling for 40, and that can happen. Replens aren't usually like that. They're a lot smaller margins, but that's predictable. Like he has these shoppers that they literally walk into a store with a list of things that they need to buy. And it just provides that stable foundation. So man, absolutely. That's huge. How many shoppers do you have?
7 now.
7 shoppers. Holy cow. That's awesome. And that's allowed you then to hire people and give them essentially a list to walk into a store with and just buy those products. So talk about that process. Like how did you find that first shopper?
Yeah, actually prep and ship was the first thing I outsourced, because I like to shop, at least up to right about now. But I hated prepping and taping boxes, and I keep hearing several people, the first thing you want to outsource is prep and ship. Don't tape boxes. And absolutely right. So I actually started with my kids first. I got them involved with the business. I have 3 kids, 3 awesome kids here at the house. And I gave them a quarter for every book that they helped prep, or every product that they helped me with. And that's essentially how I started to outsource. And it really allowed me to fine tune how to outsource, how I would guide somebody else who's not family, who's not of any relation, how I could guide this person. Plus, it gave the kids some extra money to go buy some candy or whatever.
Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.